Veteran player Randy Phillips took the top prize at the All Jamaica Tennis Championship over the weekend. Here's Garfield Jones.
A week after losing to Blaze Bicknell in the final of the Real Equity Open Championship, Roland Randy Phillips emerged the men's open winner at the All Jamaica Tennis Championship at the Eric Bell Center at the weekend, beating Daniel Azar in the final. Phillips was ruthless throughout the contest, taking the first set 6-love. It was more of the same in the second set as the top seed prevailed 6-1.
It was where the scoreline doesn't necessarily reflect the level, because I think he played well. He was very consistent, he was hitting his backhand well, he had some really good forehands. So I think he played a good match, but I also played very well. I think my mistakes were there's very few, and so I came out pretty strong and I stayed consistent the whole time.
But to be honest, I thought I played better today than I played yesterday. To be honest, I mean, all props to Randy. He played super consistent, an amazing game. Just blew me off court, really. But I thought I played well. I thought I competed well. You know, there's just a few important points that I didn't really capitalize on. That kind of turned the match away.
The men's Class 2 title went to Seretse Bell, who went 3 sets with Rudolph Jackson. Bell won the first set 6-1, but Jackson turned the tables in the second, taking it 6-4. Bell, who says he felt his legs go in the second set, fought back, winning the third 6-4 in a game that lasted over 3.5 hours.
I felt like I had the right strategy all along. I just needed to put some more energy behind it. So that was my focus in the third set, just going out there, sticking to my game plan, but finding some energy and just getting those legs going and just leaving it all out there on the court. And that worked for me in the third set. I was down 4-3 and managed to win 3 games in a row to take that third set 6-4. So I'm delighted.
Jason Baker won the Class 3 section with an easy 6-2, 6-1 result. Class 4 was a one-sided affair as Shane Bent brushed aside Samuel Bailey in straight sets 6-love, 6-love. On the women's side, Kalila Morris and Megan Skyers played out a close contest in the A category. In the end, it was Morris who prevailed after coming from a set down to win 5-7, 7-3, 10-8.
The match was a marathon. The first set I lost, 7-5, and I just really had to assess myself to see what I need to do better. And it was really a matter of me executing what I realized that I needed to do, and it was a tough fight from my opponent, but I came out with the victory.
The ladies' B section was won by Camila Whitby, who had a 6-love win over Latoya Facey. In other results, Ricardo Lyons won the men's 45 and over title following a 6-3, 6-4 win over Rudolph Jackson, while the pair of Corey Suarez and Jason Baker defeated Bradley Della Pena and John Matthew Sinclair 6-1, 6-4 in the men's Class 3 doubles. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.